Hello, today's I'm gonna make slimes. So we got our activator and we got our glues. So let's squeeze out our glue. We're gonna make like an average amount of glue, which is a small amount for me. Keep squeezing. I think that's good. So look at we're gonna show you right here some glue. Let's put a little bit more to be sure. We're gonna show you the toppings later. Okay. So now we're gonna grab some activator. We're gonna squeeze some. Put a little bit in the cap. A little bit in the cap.
La doctora Elizabeth tiene una presentación hoy, pero me da pena, pero que su mamá no puede ir, pero yo le dije que yo no podía tampoco, pues yo tengo la cena de la escuela de Axel también. Yo le dije a Lisa, tú tienes que ir. Que yo cogí mucho, he cogido permiso, sí, pero dile a su papá, no, su papá no, dile a su papá, porque es que una cosa no tiene que ver con la otra. Le digo a su papá, mira, la niña tiene una presentación,
Look at the feet.
organízate.
These are my brothers.
Y él lo hace, lo que hace no le involucra a él, ¿no? Porque el año pasado yo me acuerdo, pero fue la niña que lo llamó. Yo le iba a decir a la niña, llámalo a tu papá y dile que vaya.
Mix. We're gonna mix it. We're gonna mix.
Cuando los niños ven a la
Put
escuela,
some
quieren
more
mucho la muchachita.
activator. We're gonna mix.
Pero lo acabó.
Oh, let's go. We're making some slime. It's swimming. It's a slime.
Que le dijeron al papá, José. El año pasado él
And do not slime the other voices. You didn't have to cut me off. Okay, so we're gonna continue to mix until we get our actual slime.
ahorita cuando yo
We're
venga a
gonna
limpiar.
mix. So more activator. Mix it. Had to cut me off. Finish the lyrics, guys. You did it. Ow, my hand hurts. But we're not gonna use a mixer because I don't have one. So we're just gonna mix it. Whoa, we're making some slime in progress. So this is my first video actually, guys. So we're gonna try to have some fun with this. So I bought some glitter, not gonna lie. It is this type of glitter. I got red, pink, and purple. And since I don't know the comments, guys, we're gonna put lights, like I'm gonna put some pink and purple. So like the light pink and light purple and purple. Next. Ew, it's so sticky. We're gonna mix it. This is taking forever, guys. So after like, I don't know, 45 minutes, I'll come back to you guys to see about the progress part. So I'm gonna pause it. Bye. Wee booty beep beep. Wee beep 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 beep. Okay, we finally got some actual slime progress now. So 45 minutes has passed, so we're gonna oh, it's working. So the slime is actually working, guys.
Pero dime dónde están. No. Okay.
Okay, the glue is making it stick again, but we need to collect all the glue from this slime. So grab it all, grab everything. So we're gonna start mixing. I think if we mix enough, we'll be able to get our slime good. So we're mixing a lot. We've been mixing. So it kind of we're gonna take 12 hours of mix. No, I'm not taking 12 hours. I'm gonna post you back in 10 minutes. So I'm gonna move this. Bye bye. 3, 2, 1. Bye bye. Okay. Boop 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 boop. Boop boop beep beep.
Bro, no, nigga, you egoed me.
Boop boop boop.
30 minutes, I don't care. You were egoing me for 30 minutes, but you know my feelings. Like,
Okay,
bro.
and we're done.
You egoed me for 30.
Steven. Okay, and we're gonna I think we finished mixing.
And I
This
can't
is
enjoy
the final
5%
results.
from all of these squads because waves.
Pretty fun.
Because
And let's see
apparently
what's the size
you
of
got
my
asked waves
palm.
if I could join the elite squad.
The size of my palm.
Mm-hmm.
It's not the size of my
Because
palm,
then
but
he
it's
thinks
very
he
big.
thinks he's
So
gonna be friend group.
I would count that as a success. But when you put a little bit more activator, since it got sticky. So I'll be back in a second.
Hey man, I'm just recon, bro.
So
Oh,
la
there-
la 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 la. Okay. Hi, I'm back. So we didn't need 10 minutes. We only needed like a few
You
seconds.
gotta ask waves, man.
So we finished mixing, and don't mind my brother's feet. And we're gonna get the glitter now. Does it have a good stretch? Yeah. Let me check if it has a good stretch. Whop. Yes, it does. It has good pokes. Like, hear this. Good pokes. Okay, we're gonna remove all this Lego plate pump. Okay, we're gonna mix. We finished mixing. Let's go, bros. Bro zones. And this is for the girls and the guys. So you guys know what to do. Please hit that like button or subscribe, anything, or comments. I need to earn some. I don't need to earn something. I'm just joking. But seriously, I want to get at least 5 subscribers. I already have 2, but I need 3 more, and it's gonna be half impossible because no one ever subscribes. But it has good pokes. Like, I hope you can hear this.
Bob, I got leaderboard. I just don't have a clip. I could.
Don't ask why I have so many slime supplies over there. I'm gonna put some color. Should I put color? So in
Sorry,
my
can I
first
have
video, I'm gonna put probably blue. We'll drop a blue. We got some blue paint. We don't have any instant snow right now, so my mom is gonna buy it soon enough. So we're gonna just mix it like how it is. So it's time to start mixing the color.
Yeah, bro. Waves removed my permanent.
Whoa, this is turning out so pretty, bro. Oh, and it has amazing pokes. It still has amazing pokes. The slime isn't deactivating it, so it's very good. So I never thought this would actually work without it getting deactivated. So we're gonna continue to mix it. I'm gonna continue to mix it right now. Let me just mix it over here. I'm hoping we get like a light blue, not like a darkish light blue. So I think instead of doing pink and purple, we're just gonna do purple. Like, if you know what I mean. For the girls. Or should I put red? I think I should put red glitter. Yeah, what do you think? Yeah, let's do red glitter. So this is the color that it turned out in. It looks kind of purplish right now, but it's like a light blue. Very pretty, not gonna
I'm
lie.
gonna hold you.
Now
What's the
squish,
permission again?
squish,
Mm-hmm.
stretch,
I'm gonna just need myself in the front.
And
No people in the
fire. 10 out of 10, guys. Let's put one more drop of paint. So get the
Good,
paint.
but again, you gotta ask my big man Wiz. On everything? Bet. I'm gonna ask the commander to let me be fake SOS or Expo.
So I finished mixing. It's a pretty light blue color.
Actually,
So let's. Oh, I got a bubble butt.
love.
So last scratch. It's pretty stretchy. I like it. Now we're gonna finish this. 3, 2, 1. We're done. So now it's time for glitter. Be right back, guys. Let's get some glitter. Glitter time.
Súper. ¿Tú estás por la casa ahí?
You know what? We're gonna use some purple. Since I couldn't find the red, we're gonna use this purplish red. We're gonna put to small amounts. We're gonna put small amounts and mix them. We put a small amount and we're gonna mix. We're gonna start mixing the glitter. It's inside of there, don't worry. So I put a small amount, so let's continue to mix.
Okay.
Okay, so now we're gonna do a mini swirl, and now we're gonna start crunching. No crunch, but it's fine. We're gonna make a small swirl for the glitter. Okay, we made a small swirl. It's not perfect, but it's something, and it looks kind of cute. So we're gonna put a hole in the middle.
Wow.
So we're gonna put some little bit of glitter.
Kinda.
Oh, I think that's too much, but it's fine.
Ah.
But it feels super satisfying, the glitter, guys. So if I get 20 views, that's gonna be fire. 20 views in my first video would be fire though. If I only get 5, it's fine. I just want at least 1 like or 1 new subscriber.
Bro, what happened to the
But a new
wall?
subscriber would be crazy. So I have finished making my slime. Oh, I just saw how much time I wasted on the video. Yeah, it takes me a lot of time. So I
hey,
hope you
man.
have a good day. I'm Mr. Mustache Man. So I hope you have a good day, and I love your hair. I love your style. I love how you look today. Even though I can't see you right now, I know you look beautiful.
Wait, what is
Have
the
a good
point?
day.
What is the point of the expo?
So, let me show you the final results. This is the final results.
Wow. Ah, you are.
Cute. Very cute. Bye, guys. Have a good day.